Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this here video we're going to be putting this little cable doohickey on that there motorcycle. What this does, that end connects to the battery, that end connects to like some sort of charger. In this case I got the Optimate connection. And hopefully when the bike is sitting a long time, plug this in, put the charger on, and it does not kill the battery. I'm hoping it has a secondary function as well, so I can plug some heated kit into this so I can ride a bit warmer over the winter. Bonus. Right, need to take the seat off. So the battery on this bike, like most, is under the seat, and this has got two screws by here. I don't know what size they are. And a number 5 Allen key will sort them out. And now the seat should just yoink. And you got some tools here for adjusting the suspension and whatnot as well. Is that a torch? I don't think that's a torch. You're clean under you. Damn. So, believe it or not, this is the first time I'm actually having a look under here, so I didn't know if this would actually go well. By the looks of things, I think someone's been in here before, which makes sense because this is, I didn't buy this bike brand new. So here's the battery. So I got the negative there and the positive all the way down by there. So this is a very tight layout under here. And that's loose, that should be under there. So I'm gonna have to tidy this up first before I can do anything, and then take it out and then probably put it back in again. Someone has definitely been in here before, because I think they did the same thing as me and connected something to this positive, but they couldn't be arsed with it, and whenever they took it out they just cut it. Lovely, more work for me. This is going to be more than a 5-minute job. Right, first things first is trying to get this cable, which is left over from something else, out, so I need to undo that screw. Oh, don't do this to me now. Oh, that was easy. Don't know where you came from, but you can go over there. Well, I need to take this off anyway, because my one is not a U-shaped, it's a ring. See if these amp fuse tweezers are any good for taking this out. There we go. Nice and easy. Do not lose this. But I need that to go. I think I want all of this around here somewhere, and that to stick out this way, which is a lot easier said than done. Especially because this panel needs to go back on, which covers this side. Not much room at all here. The best if I feed this, this bloody chunky one, is in, oh, what's that? Oh, that's a new bit I didn't see, okay. Can I fit, oh, I can squeeze it through there. Progress. A lot of progress, but progress. Right, so I'm thinking of having it stick out there. Just put the panel back on for now, just so I can make sure it looks okay. Say looks okay. I think we're gonna get what we get here. So, cable type of there. Doesn't look like the seat is gonna interrupt too much or interfere too much. That needs to be stuck back inside. I still need to wire the thing up. The negative shouldn't be too bad. Whoops, wrong way around. But I need to find somewhere to store this bit. Cables are one thing, but fuses are another. So, they'll all go over there. That will go back on there. But this Right, first up, the negative terminal. Trying to get it into position was a bit fiddly. First off, the screw for the tender on the battery, bit tricky to get out, but got it out eventually with a bit of finesse. And again, with a bit of finesse, we got the lead into position. Like I said, there's not much room, so you kind of got to make do with what you got, really, and just kind of persuade it into position. And I had a little bit of trouble getting the screw back on, but once I found the bite point, it was not too bad. But overall, a bit fiddly, and this was the easy side. One part done. That was a lot more fiddly than I thought, I'll be honest. Yeah, this whole job is more fiddly than I thought. Right, I'm going to put this back on here now, if I can. Get me pry bar driver. Click that back on there. Also, as I mentioned earlier in the video, I'm pretty sure whoever was in here before me kind of left it in a bit of a mess. So I've got a feeling at some point down the future, I'm going to have to take all this out, put it back tidy, just mostly for my sanity if I plan on putting anything in or out again. But today is not that day. We're just kind of putting it back to where we found it at the beginning of this. Right, the other end of this. Stick that back through there. Before I forget that bit and have to redo all of this. So, run that. Oh, come on. I need you behind that bar. Oh, come on, don't tell me I have to take that off now. I'll tell you what, if I ever come in this bit again, I'm definitely paying someone else to do this. Because I just cannot be asked. That's fine by there, isn't it? Is that fine by there? What do you reckon? So you want to run that behind that little plastic thing. Oh, I should have thought of this first. Yeah, that'll do. I'll wrap it in tape. I've given up already. Ah! Oh, now we're in trouble. I've just lost the screw. Oh, god damn it. Oh, I'm gonna have to get a magnet. No other way of doing that. Oh, god damn it. Can't even see it, it's right down there. God bless magnetic tools, eh? Right, so we don't do that again. I don't know how we don't do that again. There we go. This would have probably gone a lot better if, like I mentioned before, these cables, wires, whatever, just wiring all above everything wasn't here. I've looked at pictures of other people's Rebel 500s, just, I'm guessing, stock out of the factory, and none of them look as cluttered as mine does here, so yeah, I'm reinforcing the fact again that I need to tidy this up. But hey, got the job done now. In the end. Feed the rest of that cable up through there. Tidy this monstrosity up once again. That was under there. That was in there. That was by there. Yes, 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 I need some... tidy this up with cable ties, but I don't think I got any on hand right now. I want to make sure this cover on is on perfectly fine, because these have a habit of falling off with these. I've nearly lost this one actually already. So yeah, cable tie that but there when I have a chance. Yeah, there's enough gap there. Put some electrical tape around it as well. Some electrical tape around that bit, and then the rest just kind of bleh. I guess I take the bike back to storage and job done. Right, let me tape that up. You ever notice you don't have any scissors when you want them? I seem to have also got myself covered in oil. This tape is just to stop any damage occurring too quickly. If it's going to happen, it's going to happen from where I've routed the cables here. I don't know if I shifted too many things, but yeah. Where's me number 5 Allen key? Oh, hang on. Just in case I fried something. Right, that works. I will say, one good thing about this bike is you don't really need to carry any tools with you, because you've got some wrenches under the seat and for suspension and whatnot. And to take the seat off, the Allen key is actually here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a screw holding it in, but just use a coin or something. Even a flat stone will do if you're in a pinch. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. There it is sticking out there. I'm gonna tidy that up when I get back to the storage, so I don't keep my bike here. Concerned about the panel though. I might have to tidy it up a little bit more, but yeah, cable tie that, which is good. She needs a wash as well. Oh, what was hoping to be a quick video was a bit of a fiddly one, but I don't think I've been here more than half hour, so there we are. So please like, comment, subscribe down below. Let me know what you think of the setup here. Is it a bit too tight inside? I think so. So please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.